Hey guys, Derek here, and I'm just talking about this awesome YouTuber. He has over 200,000 subscribers, and I think he deserves like 1,000,000 because he's just an awesome dude. He's awesome like Sky does Minecraft, but he's just really awesome. And you can probably tell from the title, I'm talking about Chris and the Mic. Now, you've seen Pro Gamer 1920's videos, but I wanted to do something of my own because, like Chris said, some people like to do things their own way, and some people like to do things the same way. So I'm just going to give you a taste of my own, like Chris says. He's really awesome. I've been subscribed to you a really long time, and I still haven't unsubscribed. I've been there to check out all your videos, and yeah, you're just a really awesome dude, man. Congrats for 200,000 videos. Can we just get him to like 1,000,000 subscribers? Hopefully Chris sees this video. I mean, I really want Chris to see this. I mean, seriously. But, yeah. So, yeah, Chris, you're awesome, okay? But I want you to upload Minecraft Family more often because I have been seeing a episode due lately, but yeah. I don't know, so yeah, how do you, and I also want to ask you one thing, how do you get Armor in the LAN server? I don't know how to get it, yeah, maybe Carlo can fix that glitch, seriously, so yeah, Joyce and Carlo, those guys rocks, except Carlo changed his YouTube username to Carflow. I don't know what happened to his sister Joyce. I don't know. And does Chris even still talk to Zyangel, his sister? I don't know. And I don't know. His dad went to jail. I don't know how he went there, but, you know. But he's just really awesome. And there's some bad weather outside. I know. But, yeah. You're really awesome, bro. And I would appreciate if you would do a mod showcase. That would be awesome. And, yeah. That's all I want to say. For all of you guys that aren't Chris and the Mic, which is all of you guys, basically, that's alright, you can still watch the video. So hopefully, he can go watch this video, or like it at least, or add to his favorites. It doesn't matter. But, I just want to say this, you're just a really awesome, you're just really awesome, bro. Yeah. For all of you guys that aren't Chris, hopefully you guys won't type in the comments saying, no, there's nothing to do with Chris and the Mic. I'm just talking about him and why he rocks. He rocks because he plays one of my favorite mods, which is probably about a lot of favorite mods out there. He plays Minecraft Comes Life, which is my favorite mod. I still play it today, so yeah. Chris, if you see this, I'd really appreciate this. So yeah, I had to go to a restaurant with my mom's friend, so I don't have that much time. So peace out.